1. 1965 Plymouth Fury 3 4-door hardtop, $8,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1965 Plymouth Fury 3 is a true time capsule with only 66,106 miles showing on the odometer, believed to be original. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and paired to a 3-speed torque-flight automatic transmission, this car was owned by the seller's son's grandmother and remains in solid condition. It features a resprayed maroon and white finish over the original reddish maroon with clean red interior. Recently tuned up with a rebuilt carburetor and other engine work, this car has not seen much road time since 2008, a wonderful candidate for cruising, restoration, or even a modern engine swap. 2. 1953 Packard Patrician, $4,500, Prescott Valley, Arizona. A rare survivor from the golden age of American luxury, this mostly original 1953 Packard Patrician is equipped with a 327 cubic inch straight-8 engine, Ultramatic automatic transmission, and factory power features including steering, brakes, and antenna. Although it runs and can be moved short distances, the brakes and power steering need work. It includes many spare parts such as second transmission, generator, starter, and more. The body is solid except for rusted floorboards, while the trunk remains in excellent condition. This is an ideal project for a Packard enthusiast. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, $11,500, Mount Lake, Washington. With just under 53,000 original miles, this 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is in beautiful condition and fully equipped. It features a front-wheel drive V8 drivetrain, automatic transmission, and an impressive list of factory options, including air conditioning, power accessories, an 8-track player, and a factory CB radio. The white exterior and luxury trim make this full-size coupe a standout from the late 1970s. For 1950 Fraser Manhattan, $12,000, Nevada. This unique and clean, the 1950 Fraser Manhattan is powered by a 3.7-liter inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It is said to be in excellent condition both inside and out, with a well-preserved interior and a smooth-running drivetrain. A seldom-seen classic from a long-gone American automaker, ready for driving or showing. Five, 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega, $11,000, Loveland, Colorado. A true survivor, this rare 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega is a collector's dream. The car remains in excellent condition with 77,000 original miles and features its original numbered dash plaque. This limited production model, known for its performance and styling, offers a manual transmission and a lightweight, sporty feel. A great find for anyone seeking a unique American performance car from the 1970s. Six, 1976 Chevrolet Suburban 400 V8 4x4, $11,000, Tacoma, Washington. This 1976 Chevrolet Suburban is a capable full-size four-wheel drive SUV powered by a strong 400 cubic inch small block V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs well, has new brakes, solid 31-inch tires, and rust repairs completed on the lower body panels. The interior is clean and the paint is mostly original. Equipped with a tow package and clean title, this is a dependable and classic American hauler. No. 7. 1974 MGB Convertible, $8,500. This charming 1974 MGB Convertible is a regularly driven and well-maintained collector car. With only 13,560 miles showing, odometer has rolled over. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, clean white paint, and a tidy interior. It includes a custom car cover and receives lots of attention wherever it goes. A great British roadster for weekend drives or car shows. 8. 1964 Volkswagen Carmen Gia, $8,000, Berrien, Washington. This 1964 Carmen Gia retains its original manila yellow paint and comes with a clean title. It is powered by a dual-port 1600 engine from 1971 and features a manual transmission. Though not perfect, the car runs, drives, and stops well. Some rust is noted on the floor pan and under the fenders, but the heater channels are solid. This is a solid candidate for a light restoration or fun daily driving with a bit of vintage flair. Nine. 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Monza Convertible, $7,500, Clinton, Montana. A fun and unique classic, this 1964 Corvette Monza Convertible is powered by a rebuilt V6 engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives great with good brakes, tires, and glass. The convertible top is in great condition with no leaks, and the interior is in excellent shape with a crack-free dashboard. While not perfect, it is a solid and stylish classic that needs only minor cosmetic attention to shine. In 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $5,000, San Juan Capistrano, California. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass features a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The car is currently wrapped in blue, though the original color is white. It runs and drives well, and even had a moment of fame in the 2022 TV series Quantum Leap. The odometer has rolled over, but the car appears to be in good condition and is priced affordably. 11. 1965 Chevrolet Impala, 3-acre Colorado. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala sedan is a solid project car with a 283 cubic inch V8 and 2-speed automatic transmission. While it needs some mechanical and cosmetic attention, it does run and drive. The seller recently added new rims, tires, and dual exhaust with glass pack mufflers. A great starting point for a budget-friendly restoration. (12) 1964 Thunderbird Coupe, $13,700, Scottsdale, Arizona. A beautiful family-owned classic, this 1964 Thunderbird Coupe is powered by a recently rebuilt 352 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission. It features power steering, power brakes, and new tires. With a clean interior and exterior, this Thunderbird is in very good condition and drives smoothly. It is ready for the road and sure to turn heads. (13) 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, $14,999, Santa Clarita, California. This 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S is a well-preserved example of one of the earliest American sporty fastbacks. With a clean title, 71,300 miles, and a V8 engine, this car offers classic performance in a distinctive package. The Formula S package adds value and appeal to this increasingly collectible Mopar muscle machine.